Are you a mechanic? Do you like rust, especially when it comes to taking exhaust systems down? I feel pretty accomplished. I got the exhaust fasteners off to get that exhaust pipe down. Now that's one of the nuts. Here's what that nut looks like. Here's a brand new one. In comparison, that's what it used to look like. With the crap they spray on the roads here to melt the ice, if you love your vehicle, Montana's not the place for you. This is a 2015 Can you imagine spending $80,000 on a truck just to have it rot away within 5 years? Granted, if you keep it clean, it will last long. Ooh, power. Well, that's what kind of worries me about this, is this frame breaking in half. But what's life without a little bit of adventure? That's all rusted out. You gotta love living in Montana. Yeah. Like, if your truck makes it more than 10 years, that's saying something. I hate to say it, but the cab doesn't have much longer. And what year is this truck?
2006.
2006. Move to Montana, they said. Customer states has an exhaust leak. Recently had vehicle at an exhaust shop a year ago. Well, I guess I'll go further down the line. I don't see any problems there. Oh, hey, they forgot to put one of those really nice welds right there. Customer just wants me to get his exhaust pipe away from his differential. There we go. I love being able to help people.